Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing this Galaxy slime kit, but let's go and get right into this. So, got a bag. Ooh, this stuff is like all glitters and beads and colors. Our clear glue and slime activator, a cute purple bowl to mix your slimes in. It looks like we got a star container and capsules. We got some little containers. Here's some little tattoos. It says what's in my slime kit, and it tells you what's all in there, and I think it's also a user manual. It tells you what type of, like, I think there's pigments in here. It tells you like which ones, like if you mix the normal slime with this like clay, and it turns into a fluffy slime.
Yep.
And like in different colors. So we're gonna pour in some clear glue, like just as much, how big you want your slime, that's how much glue you're gonna put in, unless you add like the clay stuff. I put 40 millimeters. It says there's actually measurements on the side of this. You have to look in the light and it'll actually show you. I'm gonna make some pink slime. Put like a drop or a few drops, however many you want. The stirring stick is in the bag. Stick. Let's see if this is the color that I want. So we're gonna put some of that. We're gonna put some slime activator. Just add a little bit. It doesn't need much. Just sometimes it does. It doesn't need that much. So just a little couple squirts. Sometimes you might actually overdo it. So just keep on stirring for about maybe 30 seconds, and just let it clump up. See, it's already starting to form together. You want to add activator until it's not sticking to your hand. See, it's still sticking to my hand, so we're gonna keep on mixing.
See, this is perfect.
Julie, look.
Julie, look. Stick it to my hand.
Look at what his reaction is. Julie, look.
So that's the slime she made. Do you like it? Do you have fun?
Yeah, super cute.
She's always wanted some slime kits, and it's a really nice kit.